In Matthew chapter 6 verse 34, Jesus tells us, "Therefore do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own." This verse is part of Jesus' teaching in the Sermon on the Mount, where he encourages his followers not to be consumed by anxiety about the future. God is reminding us that worrying about what might happen tomorrow is unnecessary because it takes our focus away from the present moment and from trusting in God's provision. He understands that life has its challenges, but he calls us to live fully in today, trusting that he will take care of the future. By saying, "Tomorrow will worry about itself," Jesus assures us that the future is in God's hands, and we are not meant to carry that burden. Instead, we are to focus on the present, on doing what we can today, trusting God for each day's needs. This verse encourages us to trust in God's faithfulness, to rely on His strength for each day, and to surrender our anxieties to Him. It's a reminder that God is in control and that He will provide for us, just as He has in the past.